numbers we are having. So you have to first identify. I'm talking about question number 13. Even if you know how to solve it, just I'll help you understanding that in such situation what to do. So 3-digit number divisible by 7. When you are searching, you have to search what will be the AP. Okay, 3-digit number starts from 100, right? When you will divide this 100 by 7, you will be getting 7 1 times 7, 7 4 times 28, and you are getting remainder as a 2. So last class I was showing you these things, but there is a specific way you can follow this particular way always. In 100, you can see 2 is the remainder. That means 2 extra we are having. The moment you will subtract this 2 from 100, you will get 98. That will be perfectly, completely divisible by 7. You can check with any number. If you are dividing 13 by 2, okay, you are going to get 2 6 times 12, and the remainder is 1. This remainder is the extra in 13. If you will subtract 1, that is remainder, from 13, you will get 12, and hence you will get a number which is completely divisible by 12. I mean 2. Okay, 13, in 13, 1 extra you are having. The moment you will subtract this 1, you will get such a number which is completely divisible by 2. Is it making sense? Are you getting it?
Yes.
So 100 is the first 3-digit number. We are dividing it by 7, and we got 2 extra we are having in 100. We did 100 minus 2, we got 98. Now we don't have to check. We know 98 is completely divisible by 7. But we need the 3-digit number. Okay, nearest to 100 we are having 98, which is completely divisible by 7. Next number which will be divisible by 7 will be 98 plus 7, right? That means 105. From here your AP will start 105. Okay, and the last 3-digit number is 999. We will divide it by 7, and you will see what you are getting as a remainder. The moment you will subtract that remainder from 999, you will get a nearest number. Okay, a number which is nearest to 999 and completely divisible by 7. If you will divide it, you will get 7 1 times 7, 7 4 times 28, 7 2 times 14, and the remainder is 5. That means in 999, 5 extra we are having. The moment you will subtract this 5, you will end up getting 995. Okay, this is the number, 3-digit number, which is completely divisible by 7. Nearest to this one. Okay, closest to this one. So 995 is the last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 in your AP. 105, it starts from 105. Okay, next number will be 105 plus 7. Again, next will be that number plus 7. Okay, so we are going to have 112. Now we realize this is the AP. Just a moment. Okay, so we are getting the AP over here. You have to find how many terms are there in this AP. Okay, now if you will find this 995 is sitting at what place? What is the n over here? You will be able to say these many terms are there in our AP, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. 994. It's
Okay. Question
994.
number 13 is clear to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am. But AN is 994, right?
The last term is 995, right?
Mm,
No, ma'am,
Just
it was
yes.
994.
wait. 999 minus, okay, 99 we were having. Yeah. It is 994. Yes, it is 994. Okay. So the last term is 994. First term we know common difference is 7. We just have to find what is n over here. If it is sitting at 37th place, 38th place, 40th place, that many terms are there. Better to use the last term formula, that is the same nth term formula. It says that if you know the last term, you can write last term is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then you will end up getting how many terms are there. This formula, if you will use, you will be able to answer how many 3-digit numbers are there, which is completely divisible by 7. Divisible means completely divisible. Next, you can see the same type of question we are having. How many multiple of 4 lie between 10 and 250, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiple of 4, that means all the numbers which comes in the table of 4. Okay, in between 10 and 250. Similarly, you will be able to understand that after 10, which number comes in the table of 4? So 12, right? Right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
the first term will be 12. In between 10 and 250, you have to take all the numbers which is completely divisible by 4. So 12 is the first number. Then again, at the gap of 4, you will be having the terms. You just have to check what will be the last term. 250, you can divide with 4 just to check what is the nearest number which is nearest to 250 and completely divisible by 4. Whatever remainder you will get over here, that remainder you will subtract from 250. Okay, remainder you will subtract from 250 and you will get the last term of this AP. Number 13 and 14, one by one, please confirm. Can I leave it?
Yes,
Ina,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Doreen, Samya,
Yes,
Red,
ma'am.
Bharti. Okay, I can leave it, right? Anyone who want me to solve it for you? No. Okay, let's move. Now the next question says that number 15. For what value of n are the nth term of this and that are equal? Nth term of this AP and that AP are equal. What is that n? Okay. So first you need to understand the question. You are having the AP 63, 65, 67. Okay. It just keep on going in this manner. Somewhere AN is sitting at nth place. And then we are having another AP where 3 is there, then 10 is there, then 17 is there. Okay, in this manner it is continuing. And somewhere, okay, at the same nth place, a number is sitting an. Okay, what is that n you have to find? Here an and here an is same. If an over here is x, an over here is x only. What is that place? Is that 10th place, 20th place, 30th place? Which? Okay, what is the placement? If you are not understanding, I can show you two tables, okay, where the numbers, okay, let's solve it. Then we will recheck also. So for what value of n are the nth term of this AP and that AP are equal? Okay, let's check. Suppose we are saying that nth term for the first AP an is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 63 plus n we don't know. Okay, and we want to calculate. And common difference for the first AP is, yes, for the first AP common difference is, yes,
Now for which one?
here. What is the common difference over here?
Okay.
2.
Okay, just nth term formula we have written. Nth term over here and nth term in the other AP is same. It is written in the question. I'm not saying, it's written in the question that nth term over here and nth term over there are same. Okay, what is that n? So the placement is also same and the number is also same. Yeah, that's what the question says. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the placement is also same and your nth term is also same. Okay, for what value of n, the nth term of this and that are equal. So an is also same and n is also same in this two AP. Okay, so for the other AP we are writing, okay, you got this question in exam. Let's check it. For the other AP, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Our a is 3 plus n we are trying to calculate. If you are thinking that there also I have taken n, here also n, that's what the question says. Okay, in this AP, in that AP, there is a particular term which is equal and the placement is also equal. Okay, now here we are having two. Here will be, what is the common difference for the next one? 10 minus 3 is 7, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will say that since the nth term are equal, this one and this one are equal, we can compare it. Okay, equation 1 and equation 2, we can compare it. We can say that 63 plus n minus 1 into 2 is same as 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. According to question, this is written in the question only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the calculation. We'll be having 63 plus, if you want to open the bracket, please, 2n minus 2. Over there, we'll be having 3 plus 7n minus 7. Now we'll be having 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n is equals to 3 minus 7 we are having, that is minus 4 plus 7n. Making sense to all of you why I have compared like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because in question it is written that nth term of this AP and nth term of that AP are same, hence find n value. To find the n value, we are just comparing and keeping n as it is. Okay, now we will try solving it. Here we will get 61 plus 4, that means 65, and there we will get 7n minus 2n. So we will be getting 5n, here 65, n will be 65 by 5. We are getting 13. That means 13th term of the first AP and 13th term of the next AP will be equal with each other. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
How can it be equal? Of course it can be equal. Okay, because in the first AP you can see the common difference is just 2. 2 or 3? Yeah, just 2. Okay, and in the next AP, the common difference is 7. So the first AP, 2 more, then again 2 more, then again just 2 more, then again just 2 more, and in the next AP, 7. Okay, just the next number is at the gap of 7. The next number is at the gap of 7. If you want me to show it, the 13th term of the first AP, please check it. This part you don't have to do anywhere, just for rechecking purpose. Okay, 13th term of the first AP will be a plus n minus 1 into d, that means 12d. That means your a is 63 plus 12 into common difference is 2. You will be having 63 plus 24 and you will be having 787. Okay, 13th term over here is 87. Let me check the 13th term in the next AP. Okay, so a plus 12d. 13th term will be a plus 12d. A is 3 over here, d is 7 over here. So 12 into 7. We'll be having 84 plus 3. Can you see? 13th term in the first AP is 87. 13th term in the next AP is 87. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it making sense to all of you, Samya, Inan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what, ma'am?
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. I also got the same answer only.
Yeah. Okay. So clearly it's written in the question that what is n if the nth term over here and the nth term over there will be equal. Now the next one, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Okay, we have to determine the AP. Let me wipe everything from here. Now there are few, okay, let me take the last one also, so that now we can take the concept of sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so determine AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Okay, that means this type of question we have done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm leaving it. Please try it. If you can't, then please let me know. I'll be taking it. Now, let's see few questions which was there in this year's question paper from AP. Okay, this year only. Just a moment.
Ma'am, we should do the 16th one.
Yeah, 16th one, will you be able to do by yourself? Please check. If you can't, then I'll explain it. Yes, will you be able to do it by yourself?
Ma'am, I'll check. I'll try. You can answer.
Okay, let's discuss it. Okay, what we have to do over here, the question says that determine the AP. You have to write the AP. You understand, you can write the AP if you know the first term and if you know the common difference, then you will be able to say what is the AP. Because this type of question you have already done, that the first term is A, next is A plus D, next is A plus 2D. Okay, so if we know A and if we know D, then determining AP is not a big deal. Okay, so let's see what the question says. Whose third term is 16 and this AP's third term is 16. Okay, the third term formula we'll use. Third term formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. That means 3 minus 1 into D. You will be having 2D. Okay, 16 is equals to A plus 2D. That means we got one equation from here. The third term is 16. We got one equation. And seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Exceed means is more than. Okay, so you can say seventh term is means is equals to more than fifth term. Okay, more than fifth term by 12. Getting it? Seventh term is means is equals to, okay, more than fifth term by 12. That means 12 added with fifth term. Are you getting it, everyone? Here I'll write the formula A plus N minus 1 into D for seventh term. It will be 7 minus 1 into D. That means 60. Here we'll be having A plus N minus 1 into D. That means A plus 5 minus 1. That is 4D. And here we'll be having 12 plus 12. Is it clear? Is it clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you are realizing or not that D value directly we are getting from here. 6D minus 4D will be 2D, that is 12, and directly you are getting D. That D you will substitute in equation number 1 and you will end up getting A. The moment you know your A and D, you will be able to determine what is the AP. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now just give me a moment. Let me show you few questions.
Ma'am, we are able to find only D, right? Then how are we supposed to? Okay, okay. I understand. If we substitute D, we will get the value of A, right?
Yeah, we will substitute D in equation number 1 to take out the value of A. Can you see the screen still? Okay, the D value, which is 6, we will substitute it in equation number 1 and we will be able to find the A value. Okay, now
Yes,
from
ma'am.
here we will get A. D we already know. We will determine the AP. The first term is A, next term is A plus D, next term is A plus 2D, next term is A plus 3D, in that manner. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment. I'm sharing another screen. There we are having some extra questions. Let's see that. Then we'll be starting with sum of n terms of an AP. Can you see this screen? Can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 37. Is it readable? A school is organizing a charity run to raise fund for local hospital. Fine. Okay. The run is planned as a series of rounds around a track. Okay. A figure is given with each round win 300 meter. To make the event more challenging and engaging, the organizer decide to increase the distance of each subsequent round by 50 meter. For example, the second round will be 350. How clear it is written that the first round is 300, next is 350, next is 400, next is 450. The total number of rounds planned is 10. Total 10 rounds we are having. Fine. Now let's see the questions. Write the fourth, fifth, and sixth term of arithmetic progression so form. Is it really simple? You have to find the fourth term, you have to find the fifth term, you have to find the sixth term, you have to, yeah. The first question. Everyone getting it? What is the AP? The AP is 300, 350, 400, 450, like that. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's really simple. Okay, as you have heard, this time paper was really easy. Yes, it was easy. And every year, okay, some of the questions definitely will be there which will require your time. Okay, but rest of the question will be this much basic. You just have to find fourth term of this AP. That means A plus 3D. You know what is A, you know what is D. D is 50. A plus 3D you will be able to find. Fifth term you have to find, that is A plus 4D. Sixth term, if you are thinking how I am writing it, n minus 1 into D, n minus 1 I am doing in my mind. 5 minus 1, that is 4D. Okay, next one says that determine the distance of the eighth round. Question is talking about the eighth term, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Part 3 is talking about total distance run after completing the 10 round. Okay, actually it is talking about sum of all 10 terms. We'll be doing it. Okay, we'll be doing number 3 and the next one, but not now. Okay, so far the first two part is clear. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me share the screen. For now, I have to keep the camera off. Okay, let's see over here. Question number 17. Can you see everyone?